to that rain while I answer this message. Just listen. Listen to the rain. I've taken the lavalier out so you can hear it. Sort of going off and on. Not sure. I think the audio on here is alright. Keep seeing porn pictures. I don't know. I'm like getting, every time it comes up, I just want to wipe it off my phone because I'm like, I'm not looking on my phone for that. It's like taunting me. I need to check my rotor. Well, I'm off Monday, Tuesday. My first, second off. 28. Am I looking at the right week? No. Monday, I'll be back, guys. I just wanted you to listen to that. I need to sort something out with my partner, which I won't discuss on here. This is like quite important, so bear with me.